One of the common methods for assessing pipeline integrity is the hydrostatic pressure test. Hydrostatic pressure testing is a process that uses water to exert pressure on a pipeline at levels greater than its usual operating pressure. The segment of pipeline that is being tested is temporarily removed from service by closing the nearest valves on both ends to stop the flow of natural gas. Then, the natural gas left inside the pipeline is safely vented. Excavations are dug at both ends of the segment to expose the pipeline. Short sections of pipeline are removed from both ends of the segment to be tested, and the ends are sealed with test head caps and end caps. Next, water from nearby water tanks is pumped into the test head cap, which also contains a foam plug. The pumped water propels the plug through the test segment, pushing the air out and filling it fully with water. The water pressure is then increased to a point higher than the pipeline will normally operate to see if it has any leaks. After holding the increased pressure for 8 hours or more, the test is complete. If the hydrostatic pressure test results in a leak or a rupture, the segment will be repaired or replaced. After a successful test, compressed air is used to push the foam plug through the pipeline test segment and drain the water back into the water tanks. The water is then disposed of in accordance with applicable regulations and local requirements. The test head caps are removed and multiple foam plugs are pushed through the pipeline segment until it is thoroughly dried. Once the pipeline segment is completely dry, the remaining end caps are removed and new pre-tested replacement pipe is installed at both ends of the segment to reconnect it into the system. Nitrogen gas is then injected into the restored pipeline segment, and natural gas from a partially open valve pushes it to the other side to vent the remaining air. Natural gas is safely reintroduced into the pipeline, and it is brought back into service by fully opening the valves. Finally, the excavated areas are graded and restored as closely as possible to their pre-construction condition.